Hello guys, welcome to Ashutosh Coaching Center. Now today we are going to start. The chapter name is Anatomical of Flowering Plant. कुछ पॉइंट जैसे रिमेंबर करने की जरूरत है, जैसे कि कह रहा है द स्टडी ऑफ इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड एनाटॉमी. ठीक है, एनाटॉमी मतलब क्या होता है, किसी भी इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में स्टडी करना. इन प्लांट सेल आर बेसिक यूनिट. ओके, मतलब कोई भी यूनिट सेल तो बेसिक यूनिट होगा ही ना, सिंपल सी बात है. सेल आर ऑर्गेनाइज इनटू द टिश्यू एंड टिश्यू ऑर्गेनाइज इनटू ऑर्गन्स. ये तो बात जानती है, सेल मिलकर टिश्यू बनता है, टिश्यू मिलकर ऑर्गन बनता है. अब बात करते हैं टिश्यू बारे में. A group of cell having common origin and the perfume of one function and perform of one function and plant tissue are classified into two types: meristematic tissue and the permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue क्या होता है? Meristematic tissue growth in the plants and restricted. Okay, एक मिनट. Two types: meristematic and the permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue क्या होता है? Growth in plant restricted to a specific region with the active cell division called the meristem. And the different types of meristem are: first, apical, occur in the shoot, root, and the tip, and the primary meristem, and the increase in the length of plant. Intercalary meristem present in the between the mature tissue and primary meristem and occurs in the grasses and the regenerative part removed by the grazing. Lateral meristem occurs in the mature region of the plant and the root of plants का जो root और shoot होता है, and also known as secondary meristem, responsible for the producing secondary tissue and the fascicular, vascular cambium and the interfascicular cambium and cork cambium are the example of lateral meristem. Auxiliary bulb. During the formation of leaf, elongation of stem, some cell left behind and from shoot apical meristem constitute the axillary buds. Present in the axil of leaves are capable for the forming branch or a flower. Permanent tissue. Cell produced from the primary or the secondary meristem stop dividing and the differentiated structurally and the functionally termed as a permanent cell. The group of permanent cell constitute and the permanent tissue. The permanent tissue having a similar structure and the functional called simple tissue, and the permanent tissue having many different types of cell called the complex tissue. Simple tissue are made by only one type of cell. Parenchyma forms the major component with the origin and the cell in isodimeretic नहीं है isodimeretic. Okay, dimetric. Okay, and this thin cell wall made of cellulose, and cell may be spherical, oval, round, and the polygonal or elongated shape, and cells are closely packed or oval small intercellular spaces. Perform various functions as such as the photosynthesis, storage, and the secretion. Collenchyma found either in the homologous layer of the patches on the cell thicked in the corner due to the deposition of cellulose and the hemicellulose and the pectin. Cells are oval, spherical, and the polygonal in shape, and the often contain the chloroplast, no intercellular spaces, and provide the mechanical support to the growing part of the plant and such as the young stem and the petiole of the leaves. Sclerocyma consists of long and narrow cell, and cell wall is thick and magnified and lignified, and cell wall and a few numerous pits, and the cells are usually dead and without protoplast and provides mechanical supports to the organs. And the sclerominus and sclerochymous are the two type of the origin or the base of origin from the structure. Fibers: thick wall, elongated, and the pollinated pointed cell, and generally group occurs in a group and in various parts of plants. उसके बाद है हमारा sclerates. Sclerates spherical, oval, or cylindrical in shape and highly thicked dead cell and with every narrow cavities. Lumen and commonly found in the fruit walls of nuts and pulp of guava and pears, and the sapota seed and coat of the legumes, and leaves of the tea. Complex tissue made up of more than one type of cell, and these work together as a unit, and xylem and phloem constitute a complex tissue in the plant. Xylem, the function as a conducting and the tissue form for water and the minerals to form roots and to stem and leaves.